In this video, I want to talk about stem and leaf plots, or stem plots. First, the vocabulary. A stem plot is a plot where each data value is split into a leaf, usually the last digit, and the stem, the other digits. Example 1. Construct a stem and leaf plot for the following data values. And find the mean, median, and mode. So to start, we make a stem plot which looks like a T-chart. And we write our tens digit as our stems. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we start making our leaves. We split 20 into 2 and 0. We split 12 into 1 and 2. 39 into 3 and 9. 38 into 3 and 8. 18 into 1 and 8. 58 into 5 and 8. 49 into 4 and 9. 59 into 5 and 9. 66 into 6 and 6. 50 into 5 and 0. 23 into 2 and 3. 32 into 3 and 2. 43 into 4 and 3. 53 into 5 and 3. 67 to 6 and 7. 35 into 3 and 5. 29 into 2 and 9. 13 to 1 and 3. 42 into 4 and 2. 55 into 5 and 5. 37 to 3 and 7. 19 to 1 and 9. 38 into 3 and 8. 22 into 2 and 2. 46 into 4 and 6. 71 to 7 and 1. 9, we just put a 0 as the 10 is put 9 in our leaf. 65 to 6 and 5. 15 to 1 and 5. And then 38 into 3 and 8. Next step, we're going to take our stem and leaf plot and put all the numbers in numerical order. So make a new stem chart. So number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. And then 0, we'll get the 9. That one's easy. And then 7 get 1. That one's also easy. There's only one number in each row, so we don't have to work as hard. So now look at the one row. So the smallest number is 2, then 3, then 5, then 8, and then 9. The 2 row. First will be 0, then 2, 3, and then 9. The 3 row. The smallest will be 2, then 5, then 7, then 8, 8, 8, and then 9. The 4 row. The smallest will be 2, then 3, then 6, and then 9. The 5 row. The smallest will be 0, 3, 5, 8, and then 9. Then the 6 row. The smallest will be 5, then 6, then 7. Now we make a key. To make the key, we just write the word key. And we can pick any number we want. So we'll use a 7, put a slash in between 7/1, and that's telling us that 7/1, with 7 as a leaf stem and 1 as the leaf, is 71. Now to find the mean. All we do is we add all of our numbers together and divide by the total number of numbers. So 20 plus 12 plus 39 plus 18 plus 58 plus 49 plus 59 plus 66 plus 50 plus 23 plus 32 plus 43 plus 53 plus 67 plus 35 plus 29 plus 13 plus 42 plus 55 plus 37 plus 19 plus 38 plus 22 plus 46 plus 71 plus 9 plus 65 plus 15 plus 38. We're going to put that in the numerator. And we already know that there's a total of 30 numbers. So we're going to put that in the denominator. So when we add all the numbers up for the numerator, we get 1,161. Now we divide the 1,161 by 30 to get as 38.7 as our mean. To get the median, we use the cross-off method to find the middle number. And we're going to use that straight from the stem plot. So cross, 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 cross. Keep crossing until you get to the middle. Cross, 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 cross. Keep crossing. And it looks like there's 2 8s in the middle, so that indicates 38. So normally when we have two middle numbers, we just add them. 38 plus 38 divided by 2. And 38 plus 38 would be 76. Divide that by 2, and we end up with 38, which is what we expected. Make this nice and pretty. Highlight this one in green. And then the last one, the median. The number we can see it appears, since we are in a stem plot, we can see the number that appears the most frequently easily. So that would be 38 for our mode. And we'll highlight that in blue. So our mode is 38. Example 2. The following numbers represent the growth in centimeters of some plants after 25 days. Construct a 7-leaf plot to represent the data and list 3 facts that you know about the growth of the plants. So start with our T-chart. And we're going to use the 10 digits as our stem. So our smallest looks like it's 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. We're going to split the 18 to 1 and 8. Our 10 into 1 and 0. Our 37 to 3 and 7. 36 into 3 and 6. 61 to 6 and 1. 39 to 3 and 9. 41 into 4 and 1. 49 to 4 and 9. 50 into 5 and 0. 52 into 5 and 2. 57 to 5 and 7. 53 into 5 and 3. 51 to 5 and 1. 57 to 5 and 7. 39 to 3 and 9. 48 into 4 and 8. 56 into 5 and 6. 33 into 3 and 3. 36 into 3 and 6, 19 to 1 and 9, 30 into 3 and 0, 41 to 4 and 1, 51 to 5 and 1, 38 into 3 and 8, and 60 into 6 and 0. Now rewrite it so we have them in numerical order to make it easier to analyze the data. So renumbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In our 1 row, we have 0, 8, then 9. There's nothing in our 2 row. So in our 3 row, we have 0, 3, 6, 6. You missed the 6, then 6, then 7, then 8, 9, and then 9. And our 4 row, 1, 1, 8, 9. Our 5 row, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 7. And our 6th row, 0, and 1. Now for our 3 facts. First, our key. Write a key 6/0 equals 60. Then we write our key facts after we write the key. So our 3 facts. Since our numbers are in numerical order in our stem chart, we can easily pick off our minimum number and our maximum number. Our minimum number would be 10. Our maximum number would be 61. So that gives us 2 facts. We can also easily pick off our mode. There's several modes in this, so we could call this multimodal. And the numbers that repeat are 36, 39, 41, 51, and 57. So this is multimodal. Our median, we would use our cross-off method to find our median. Cross until you get to the middle. Keep crossing until you get to the middle. Keep going. Keep crossing. Keep crossing. Crossing, we're almost at the middle. And it looks like our median is going to be 41. And last, we're going to find our mean. We'll add all of our numbers together, and we're going to divide by the total number of numbers. So we're going to do 10 plus 18 plus 19 plus 30 plus 33 plus 36 plus 36 plus 37 plus 38 plus 39 plus 39 plus 41 plus 41 plus 48 plus 49. We add all those numbers together, we get 1032, and there's 25 numbers. And then we get, as our mean, 41.28. So we've come up with more than 5 facts for this problem. Example 3. The STEM plot at the right displays the scores of 24 students on a chemistry quiz. The first row stands for scores of 35 and 38. No student had a score in the 40s or 50s. The highest score obtained by any student was a 99. Question 1. What does a 7 in the row with a stem of 8 stand for? So we find the row with a stem of 8 and find the 7. And that stands for a score of 87. Part B. Find the sum of the scores. So essentially what we have to do is add all of our scores together. So 35 plus 38 plus 65 plus 69 plus 71 plus 75 plus 76 plus 76 plus 77 plus 78 plus 79 plus 80 plus 81 plus 83 plus 84 plus 85 plus 86 plus 87 plus 90 plus 92 plus 95 plus 97 plus 98 plus 99. When we add all those together, we get a total of 1,896. We know there's 20. So our next step, we're going to find our mean. We'll take the 1,896 divided by 24. And we end up with a mean quiz score of 79. What is the median test score? So we're going to cross until we get to the middle. Cross, 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 cross. Keep crossing. Cross, cross. Cross, cross. Cross. Keep crossing. Keep crossing until you get to the middle. Keep crossing until you get to the middle. We're almost there. Looks like we have a tie for 81 and 83. So when there are two middle scores, we add them together and divide by 2. So 81 plus 83 would give me 164. Divide that in 2, and that gives me a median quiz score of 82. Now our mode quiz score. That's the number that quiz score that appears the most frequently. And in this situation, it is 76. So our mode or most frequent quiz score is 76. And we are done with this problem.